Grab your power switch cable harness and connect it to the auxiliary equipment port on your smart controller. Your harness has 5 different cables that can be used to switch on or off your auxiliary equipment based on your determined grow plan grow conditions. Your system is already configured to control your lights through your grow plan when you use cable number 1 and your chiller through cable number 2. Right now, we will demonstrate how to connect auxiliary equipment by showing you how to connect your external chiller. Connect the power switch pin plug to the cable harness using cable number 2. Connect the power switch to a power source. Connect your equipment power cord to the power switch. Make sure you turn on your auxiliary equipment so the system can control it accordingly. Contact us at info@bifarm.com if you need any additional power switches for additional auxiliary equipment.